Hi, I'm Jules and you're watching Catalyst Plus TV, the place to be if you want to create outstanding business. Today we're talking about maximizing your tax deductions before end of financial year. It's one of those buzzwords, everybody's telling you to buy assets or things like that, but this one's very simple and easy to do. This particular solution is something that not many business owners are fully aware of. It's superannuation. Now, everybody knows when you have an employee, you need to deduct tax and pay their superannuation. And you also need to pay superannuation by 28 days after the end of a quarter in order to get a tax deduction. What people don't understand is that superannuation is a deduction in the year that it is paid. So if you wait for your 30 June superannuation to be paid on the 28th of July, you're actually going to be claiming that deduction in next financial year's tax return. What we're talking about doing is actually paying your superannuation before 30 June to maximize the deduction that you're already going to claim but in the current year. The difference might actually result in you paying less tax for the current financial year and paying tax related to the income and expenditure that relates to the current financial year. That can only be a good thing. Now, who should do this? Pretty much any small business owner that potentially has a little bit of spare cash flow. I would be encouraging them to pay their superannuation before 30 June rather than going out and buying assets that they may not necessarily need. This way, you're claiming a deduction for an expense that you already have and an expense that you can't get out of. You're just claiming it in the current financial year. So I hope that this was of help for you. And if you have any questions or queries, you can leave a comment below at www.catalystplus.com.au and we'll be in touch with you. Otherwise, we really hope you have a great week and we'll see you in next week's episode of Catalyst Plus TV.